Problem number 3a. Find the value of dy by dx at the given point on the curve. Y is equal to 3x squared minus 4 at the point 1, minus 1. To get the solution to this problem, first differentiate y. Then put the value of x coordinate in the dy by dx. Here dy by dx is equal to 6x. Therefore, when x is equal to 1, dy by dx is equal to 6. This is the answer. Now follow these rules to solve the problems. From 3b to 3f. First differentiate y. Then put the value of x coordinate in the dy by dx. Now follow these slides to understand how to solve the problems. Wish you good luck. Problem number 4. Find the coordinates of the point on the curve y is equal to 2x squared minus x minus 1, at which the gradient is 7. To get the solution to this problem, first find out the dy by dx. Here we get dy by dx is equal to 4x minus 1. The gradient value is actually the value of dy by dx. It implies that 4x minus 1 is equal to 7. From this equation we get x is equal to 2. Now put the value of x in the equation. Y is equal to 2x squared minus x minus 1. We get y is equal to 5. Therefore, the coordinates of the point are 2, 5. This is the answer. Now follow these rules to solve the problems. From 5 to 8. First differentiate y. Then from the equation of dy by dx and the gradient value, find out the value of x. Then put the value of x in the equation of the curve and find out the value of y. The values of x and y are the coordinates of the desired point. Now follow rest of the slides to understand how to solve the problems. Wish you good luck.